Christian Luanzon and Miss Mika Abesamis. A battle of two of the contenders in the Southern Division.
So he starts today. Enzo Joson did not even play, I believe, in the last game. He starts the one. And Jason Strait, on the other hand, as you mentioned, gets the starting nod for Zamboanga, who's still unbeaten. He also...
It's about loving the process. Jason Strait kicks it out. Former league MVP JC Marcelino gets his first basket with aplomb. A three-point shot plus the foul. Shots were empty para sa kanila. Wilson hooks a pass to Apreku. Hozon almost traveled. Short jumper is good.
Trip that
looks to pass, gets it cross court to Joseph Terzo. Former Davao Occidental Tiger and Makati King. They get it inside. That's another basket for Jason Strait. Santos on the block. The pass outside to Apreku. Back to Rodriguez. Larry from the free throw line. That's good.
And that's something that I think South Cotabato should do. He did a great job of sprinting back as Enzo Joson looks to be going for an easy two. But if they keep doing this all throughout the game, eventually you want to,
door. No foul called. Rebound for JC Marcelino. Terzo will go cherry picking on the other side.
When you force a bad shot, it's almost like it's the first pass.
Siguro daw nagsama-sama lang lahat ng good things, but more importantly, binibili nila yung sistema ko. Magaling o hindi ka na coach, basta tiwala ang players mo sa'yo, good to go ka. The stat sheets are mostly to their favor.
Louis and si Ron J, former NCAA MVP, and at least in the juniors division, it happened a long time ago. Pero etong nakita naman action dito. Kala mo pa layup na itong South Cotabato. Pero napalpal pa. Kyle Tolentino, yan, napalpal doon sa last play na yon.
What a defensive play right there by JV Marcelino. The Ant-Man, Mark Cruz, hands it off to Kyle Tolentino. Chris Dumapig, former Zamboanga player himself, gets the shot to go inside the paint.
Ang ganda ng galawan niya na yun, no? Pag flush too by Dumapig.
Alas bounce pass to Ray Publico. JC Marcelino, the floater up and in.
I tell you that. Where's he going to play though? I wonder.
Well, I do know some tidbit about that as well.
I think it's a red and white blue flag. Papunta ron eh.
Well, the other Alas has already made a basket in this game. That's Kenneth. He's averaging almost 5 points this season. As the son of Coach Elvis Tolentino, that's Kyle, makes a three. It's 15-13 right. JV swings it to the left. Ray Publico, back to Jason. Apolonio from the outside. That's good.
A beautiful pass right there by Publico and the improvement by Apolonio. Pero Sorella, binalikan sila kagad. Yan ang gusto mo sa basketball eh. Let's not forget, big men, they really run end-to-end.
The end of first quarter score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. Nicole Sorella misfiring from the outside. Offensive rebound to Jammer Hamito. Ball movement here for South Cotabato, leading to that basket by Kyle Tolentino. Heavily by John Mahari. That's specialty of the house. Apolonio gets the pass back. Apolonio will finish.
What a play on both ends by John Mahari. He was the one responsible for the assist.
Alas swings it to the left. JV. Floater. Right hand finish is good.
Ang ganda naman nun ng opensa nitong Zamboanga.
Cotabato. Gabayni. Out to JV. Shot clock winding down. Off the back and in. JV Marcelino from the outside.
Anong oras na?
6:24 p.m. The bank is still open for JV Marcelino. Once again by Sorella. Tolentino onto the baseline. Rodriguez, that's his shot.
And that's a shot that clearly you cannot give to him.
Jonicio trying to go off the glass. That's short. Gets his own miss. Rodriguez a little bit farther than the free throw line. Marvin Jonicio gets the miss and the stick back.
And that's the beauty when you drive the basketball after a kick out.
Ahead to JC Marcelino.
That's a foul.
No whistle blown. Gabayni on the reverse. Gets it to trickle in. Gets the very pesky Joey Barcuma. Larry gets past Gabayni and Preku is all alone for two.
So we talked about how you close out on Larry Rodriguez. That's the thing though, he's smart enough not to take the shot at the same time, read the defense and drop it off, pero bumawi naman kagad sa kabila.
Like Adi Santos, also a former champion here in the league with
Batangas,
Batangas.
yeah. And I made it. He shot it with confidence.
Cruz had a lot of time to fire, and Mark Cruz, now the newest member of the 1,000 points club. He is the 34th member of this esteemed club of players here.
One player all throughout his life, if you don't have the confidence to play and to shoot, you wouldn't make it in the pros and in this league. As you see, Commissioner Kenneth Duremdes, we shot.
Acuna turns the corner. Acuna, the adjustment short. Hamito with the right hand. That's good.
And even though Val Acuna missed that shot, that's what the drive does.
Isho hands it off. Acuna will not take the shot. Cruz will. Mark Cruz, second three-point shot. That's a turnover once again for the Master Sardines. Jonicio has Barcuma in front of him. Jonicio will take it inside and score.
And you would think that South Cotabato led to the easy two. Pero ito, easy two na naman. Binawi kagad ng South Cotabato.
Delmar Mahaling, 44-36, our halftime score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first.
Hindi siya act of shooting.
Lorde thought that he was going for the shot. Thought he sold it well. Apparently not. Sorella, though, able to get 2 points there for South Cotabato.
Oh, nice touch for that one-handed short. Involved in every play, especially in the loose balls. Hawson with a step back.
That guy as well has been performing well para kay Coach Elvis Tolentino. Cryotherapy, okay. The good old-fashioned cryotherapy.
Ayun, old-fashioned ba? Kita mo naman yung drive ni Elorde doon. Strong finish.
Talaga di mo madepensahan eh.
Ngayon, different angles na lang eh. Dati sa gitna and on the block, di ba? As Larry Rodriguez, ilang deck just said is the word consistent. Patuloy-tuloy niyang ginagawa eh. Tulad nito. Ayan. Consistent yan eh. Consistent yan eh.
It's on the baseline, able to recover. Back out to Alas. Kenneth for three. That's good. Finally, a basket for Zamboanga.
Fortunate that time was Adi Santos. Ang dami, nahuli na ako sa lahat.
Huling-huli ka na talaga. Joseph Gabayni, siya rin nahuhuli dito sa point production para sa Zamboanga.
Pero
oras
gusto niya
na
habulin. Nung Zamboanga, minsan you need to get the most out of a Marcelino or one or two of them. A Gabayni who's capable of carrying you through the game. Even a guy like
that one. Rebound to JV.
I think that was more of a tired shot.
JC Marcelino. There you go. Just like Mix Gomez likes to put it. The chemistry that's been set at the womb. The Marcelino twins. Here they are once again. JV this time for the shot. A 4-0 blast courtesy of the Marcelino twins, cutting this lead down to 6.
Pero ito, babalik sila. Tingnan natin kung makastop. Open shot, Hawson. That's big. That's big.
That puts out the fire being set here by Zamboanga. Seconds remaining in the third. Santos wide open for that undergoal stab. 59-55. What a way to close out this third quarter by the Master Sardines. And this set of third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first this one out with Adi Santos, John Mahari, and Joseph Gabayni. Baseline cut by Mahari. That three-point play opportunity para kay John Mahari.
I just love that baseline cut because
he has a chance to get them to within one. Three-point play completed by John Mahari. Sorella saves it to the wrong man. Santos gets the lead back to Zamboanga.
Everything just falling apart. Right? Tama ba?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
As Marvin Jonicio drains it from the outside.
Right. At literal. Ano yung tinatawag sa basketball? Nagpalitan ng mukha. Medyo yun ang nangyari kay Dumapig at kay Mahari. No,
Publico getting that offensive rebound. Alas attacks inside. Euro and the basket for Kenneth Alas.
And all because of the second.
On the shot clock. Publico with the screen. JC with the left on the other side. JC Marcelino giving Zamboanga back the lead.
How about that? Showing a little bit of flair with that left hand. What a beautiful finish by JC. Here's the forward pass.
Marcelino challenging the defense of Marvin Janicio, and he gets the hoop plus the harm. Numbers right there of the former league MVP. Now 14 points plus 5 rebounds, 5 assists.
Is all time. Ang layo, kahit na alam mo, si Malone lang ang papasahan niya. Nangyayari pa rin.
Mark Cruz though answering on the other side for South Cotabato. JJ Hoson to Dumapig on the block. Gives it back out the handoff. Hoson on the shot. That's good.
Boy, where would South Cotabato Buanga in this game, as you mentioned earlier, 15 of 28.
That's just dismal shooting from the line. While Kyle Tolentino has always been an excellent shooter. Publico swings it to the left. JC Marcelino for 3. It just
Sadly, Marcelino right now off to the races.
JC leaves it. JV, this time it's the other way around, but the point nonetheless for Zamboanga. They're up by 5.
These two are
This game for JC and JV as Sorella able to stop the short drought there for South Cotabato.
if sa lahat ng gamit.
Tama. I think that was good. Is this going to be the first time that we're going to be awarding to players for best player of the game? Well, if Joseph Gabayni keeps on doing that, that will help Zamboanga with that kind of cause.
He's trying to make a case because he's
Para kay Joseph Gabayni, and he finally gets a free throw to drop. Hoson goes for the 3. Too strong. Marwin offensive rebound, short jumper. That's good. 78-74. Michael Alas puts the ball on the deck. Gabayni drop step. The finish is good off the glass for Joseph Gabayni.
and the key to me right there was the drive, I believe, by JC Marcelino. Something at the line to stop the clock.
They set up Acuna from the corner. Nothing but bottom for Val Acuna.
Or you could put in Val Acuna, a proven champion, a proven shooter.
Ito, another possession here for South Cotabato. Tolentino, can he make this? Yes, sir! Kyle Tolentino, a big 3 for South Cotabato. See Marcelino, doubled on the left side. Alas to JV. Marcelino, out. Gabayni, baseline jumper. All nylon for Joseph Gabayni. Orde once again to trigger in. Amito outside Acuna. That's a tight spot. Tough angle to work with. Gabayni secures the possession. And South Cotabato with no other recourse but to give up a foul.
Well, what a poor shot that was. But I thought Gabayni right now can ice the game. And to me,
8 seconds left. Elorde from way downtown. Acuna will go for it. Oh, that's a foul, definitely. But Val Acuna
almost
failing to knock that one down. That was halfway in.
right.
A tad bit overboard, hitting the body downstairs of Val Acuna, who is first. There you see the free throw numbers on your screens. Acuna. South Cotabato has done a good job of getting offensive rebounds, but Acuna decides to knock that. Kenneth Alas to trigger in here for Zamboanga. They go to Gabayni. That is the right person to foul if you're South Cotabato. 5 out of 12 though from the free throw line. Make that 6 out of 13 now. Miss on the second. Elorde could not get the heave in time, and that is gonna be it. We went down the wire and still.
With the last run that they had in the last few minutes, who do they owe it to? They owe it to not only to one, but to a pair of players who have yet to be separated since birth, the Marcelino twins.
JC and JV Marcelino, our best players of the game, brought to you by Buenas. What a performance in the second half. 85-83 our final score, brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first